You may occasionally ponder what it would be like to start making money with just a click of a button and a few movies. What if we could simply like a video to receive payment for doing so? What if you could do all of this in a single day by utilizing a mobile device alone and earning money that was simple to transfer to a PayPal account or, if you wanted, a bank account? There are currently 5 distinct ways to make money on this brand new website. You may play games, view films, take surveys, and shop online. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Our website is currently called paidwork.com. As you can see, it is accessible for download on both iOS and Android smartphones, which is always a bonus. It states, make money online on the phone, computer, or tablet. Be paid wherever you are without investment. Turn your time into cash. The solution's adaptability is one benefit. Paid work can be full or part-time labor for anyone in any nation. Any device with internet access can be utilized to earn money wherever you are. For the time and effort you invest in using the site, you will get paid. How does it function? Every detail is in place. You can choose how you want to generate money by playing games, doing surveys, viewing films, making purchases online, and creating accounts. Resources are used to generate profits. You can make up to $150 in a single month without paying any additional taxes or fees by following a few easy steps. However, there is no cap on your earnings. You choose the hours you'll work. How might paid work assist you? Consider how having a second source of income would make your life easier. Wherever you are at work, school, the hair salon, or even in the shower, increase your income. You can always make money with paid work. It is a waste of time to spend time on Facebook or other social networking sites. You only need a mobile device with internet access. You can even make goals, focus on your advantages, and use that works best for you. 5 various ways to earn money are available on paid work, and each time one is defined by a characteristic that may be best suitable for you. Your time and involvement will determine your level of income. Find out how simple paid work is to use. From beginning to end, you may do it in only 3 simple steps. The first step is deciding on a source of income. Since more alternatives mean greater potential for revenue, choose the offer that best fits your needs. With ad types, which offers you distinct ways to earn money, you can explore our extensive selection of earnings opportunities. Start earning money second. You would have been paid right away if the order you needed had been fulfilled successfully. Third, give us the administrative duties. Every time an ad is viewed or clicked, we'll handle the invoicing process and pay you. You can begin getting payments once you've made a certain minimum amount. Learn the detailed instructions, use every resource, and examine every source of income. Use your paid work account to its full potential. Playing games, achieving a certain level, or unlocking a feature in the mobile game or choice are all requirements for earning points. Perform simple, medium difficulty, and difficult tasks in games you like. The longer it takes you to complete the task, the more money you can make. Some of the genres of playable video games include action, sports, strategy, battle royale, adventure, role-playing, and racing. Additionally, you can take part in surveys that have already been made public by others. Let people know who you are and endeavor to make the world a better place. Despite the fact that surveys can differ, those on paid work will be matched to your chosen interests. You will be informed of which surveys are anonymous and which are available to the general public. Additionally, you can view the videos we mostly focus on. You can make money by watching quick 30-second videos related to your hobbies. You can choose from a range of adverts to watch. Depending on your personal preferences, you must watch the complete commercial in order to earn points. Else, you will not be able to earn anything. If the monetization is stopped, you can watch it again later. Online shopping is another option, where you may select well-known stores and brands and use paid work to cut costs. Spend money at the source you like best to get cash back. For greater purchases, you will receive a higher incentive. Additionally, you can acquire free samples and promotional codes by registering an account on several e-commerce websites. You can also encourage individuals to take part in those companies' referral programs and get money. Improve your earnings on paid work by taking advantage of the free referral program, which is open to everyone. Both of you will get a bonus if the individual you advised makes their first withdrawal. Learn more about how to start approaching people for money. After successfully signing up by clicking this and following the on-screen instructions, your paid work account should look like this. By choosing Earn, you should be directed to a page where you can choose your methods of earning. You only need to click on Earn beneath Watch Videos to see these two options, from which you may select and watch videos, as watching videos will be our main focus because they are chosen at random. You can also make that much money by viewing videos one after the other if you swipe left to view additional videos. The alternative strategies can also be examined. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.